Welcome to another episode in our Splunk SPL series. Today we'll explore the REST command, a powerful tool that allows you to make REST API calls directly to Splunk endpoints for retrieving configuration and metadata information. The REST command opens up access to Splunk's internal API, enabling you to programmatically gather system information that's normally accessed through the web interface. This command is particularly useful for administrators who need to automate configuration management or extract detailed system information for reporting and monitoring purposes. The REST command follows a straightforward syntax structure. You begin with the pipe symbol, followed by the word REST, then specify the endpoint path starting with /services. The basic format is pipe REST/services/endpoint. This command leverages Splunk's internal REST API architecture, which provides programmatic access to virtually all Splunk functionality. The endpoint portion represents the specific resource or service you want to access, such as data indexes, user accounts, or application configurations. One of the key advantages of the REST command is its seamless authentication mechanism. The command automatically uses the current user context for authentication, meaning it runs with the permissions and access rights of the person executing the command. There's no need to provide additional authentication credentials or API tokens. The command inherits the session credentials from your current Splunk login, making it both secure and convenient to use. This ensures that users can only access endpoints and data that align with their assigned roles and permissions within the Splunk environment. Let's explore some of the most frequently used endpoints with the REST command. For configuration management, you can use /services/data/indexes to retrieve information about all available indexes in your Splunk deployment. The /services/apps/local endpoint provides details about installed applications. For user management tasks, /services/authentication/users gives you access to user account information, while /services/authorization/roles retrieves user role definitions and permissions. These endpoints form the foundation for most administrative and monitoring tasks. Here are practical examples of using the REST command. To list all indexes in your Splunk environment, use pipe REST/services/data/indexes pipe fields title. This command retrieves index information and filters the output to show only the index names. For user management, you can execute pipe REST/services/authentication/users pipe fields title, roles. This query returns all user accounts along with their assigned roles, providing a comprehensive view of user permissions across your Splunk deployment. These examples demonstrate how the REST command can be combined with other SPL commands like fields to customize your output. Moving to more advanced usage scenarios, the REST command supports additional parameters for enhanced functionality. To retrieve information about search jobs, use pipe REST/services/search/jobs count = 0 pipe search is saved search = 1. The count = 0 parameter removes the default result limit, allowing you to retrieve all available records. The subsequent search command filters results to show only saved searches. Another powerful example is pipe REST/services/authentication/ users pipe fields email ID last_successful_login. This command extracts detailed user information including email addresses and last login timestamps, which is valuable for security auditing and user activity monitoring. Understanding common errors and troubleshooting techniques is essential for effective REST command usage. The most frequent error is 403 forbidden, which indicates insufficient permissions to access the requested endpoint. This typically occurs when the user's role lacks the necessary capabilities. A 400 bad request error suggests an invalid endpoint URL or incorrect syntax in your command. To troubleshoot these issues, first verify that your user account has the appropriate permissions for the endpoint you're trying to access. Check that the endpoint path is correctly spelled and exists in your Splunk version. You can also validate endpoints by testing them through the Splunk web interface or documentation to ensure they're available in your environment. To maximize the effectiveness and performance of the REST command, follow these best practices. Use count equals 0 when you need to retrieve all results without the default limitations. Always combine the REST command with the fields command to filter output and improve performance by reducing unnecessary data transfer. Set appropriate timeout values for large queries to prevent command failures. From a security perspective, remember that the REST command requires proper role permissions and uses your current session context. It's important to note that the REST command is limited to GET operations only, meaning you can only retrieve data, not modify or delete resources. This read-only nature makes it safe for exploration and reporting while preventing accidental configuration changes through SPL commands. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.